കേരള PSC അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് പ്രൊഫസർ ഇൻ നഴ്സിംഗ് അണ്ടർ മെഡിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പാർട്ട് 2 വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. ആൻഡ് ദ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ടെസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് 9th May 2026. ഇപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. 51 question. The continuous musical sound predominantly expiratory in nature due to lower airway obstruction in children is termed as. The options are snoring, grunting, wheeze and stridor. And the answer is wheeze. Next question. The characteristic radiographic finding in staphylococcal pneumonia in children is. The options are pneumatocele, string sign, cardiomegaly and honeycombing. And the answer is pneumatocele. The pneumatocele is also known as pulmonary pseudocyst. It is a thin-walled air-filled cyst that develops within the lung tissue. Next question. The staging criteria in management of necrotizing enterocolitis in neonates. The options are Bell's criteria, Jones criteria, Kramer's criteria and Wolff's criteria. And the answer is Bell's criteria. Next question. In embryological development of internal genitalia, anti-Mullerian hormone is responsible for. The options are regression of Mullerian ducts, regression of Wolffian structures, development of Wolffian ducts, retention of Mullerian structures. And the answer is regression of Mullerian ducts. Next question. According to Creutzfeldt classification of jejunal atresia, the apple peel or Christmas tree appearance is seen in. The options are type 2, type 3A, type 3B and type 4. And the answer is type 3B. And in the Creutzfeldt classification, type 1 is mucosal atresia, type 2 means fibrous atresia, type 3A is complete single atresia, that is V-shaped mesentery, and type 3B is complete jejunal atresia with coiled ileum, that is Christmas tree deformity, and type 4 is multiple atresias. Next question. The normal sacral ratio that allows for objective evaluation of the sacrum in children, which forms the basis of determining the associated sacral defect in anorectal malformation is. The options are 0.77, 0.3, 0.4 and 1.7. And the answer is 0.77. The normal sacral ratio is 0.52 to 1.18. So the answer is 0.77. Next question. In atrial hypertrophy, tall P wave indicating right atrial hypertrophy is termed as. The options are P mitral, P pulmonale, P aortale and P tricuspidale. And the answer is P pulmonale. In the ECG, tall peaked P wave indicating right atrial hypertrophy or right atrial enlargement are termed as P pulmonale. Next question. In tetralogy of Fallot, the direction and magnitude of the shunt through the VST is primarily determined by. Options are RVOT obstruction, right ventricular outflow tract obstruction, left ventricular outflow tract obstruction, right ventricular hypertrophy and overriding of aorta. And the answer is right ventricular outflow tract obstruction. RVOT obstruction. Next question. In Sydenham's chorea, the severity of choric movements is depending on. The options are IgG, IgM, antineuronal antibodies, antinuclear antibodies. And the answer is antineuronal antibodies. Next question. The pupil's reaction in hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy in Sarnat stage 2 classification is. The options are mydriasis reactive, second one meiosis, third one mid position unequal poor light reflex, and fourth no response. And the answer is meiosis. Next question. Mr. A recently lost his mother. The nurse is assessing his emotional response to grief. Which of the following statement by Mr. A would indicate that he is in the anger stage of grief? The options are, first one is, this can't be true, there must be some mistake. And second one, why did this happen to me? It's so unfair, God has been cruel to me. Third one, if only I had taken her to the hospital earlier, she might have survived. And last one, I know she is in peace now and I have to move on. And the correct answer is second option. Why did this happen to me? It's so unfair. God has been cruel to me. Next question. Which of the following statement about atypical antipsychotics are true? First option. They are potent serotonin 5-HT2A antagonists. Second one is they have a high potential for extrapyramidal side effects. And third one is they are more effective in treating negative symptoms of schizophrenia. And options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. And the answer is 1 and 3. That are, they are potent serotonin 5-HT2A antagonists and they are more effective in treating negative symptoms of schizophrenia. Next question. The nurse is talking to a patient experiencing delusion of persecution and responds by saying, I find it hard to believe or accept what you are saying. Which therapeutic communication technique is the nurse using? The options are verbalizing the implied, voicing doubt, reflecting, and presenting reality. And the answer is voicing doubt. Next question. Mr. K attends an Alcoholic Anonymous group for the first time and meets Mr. B, who has been abstinent from alcohol for the past 3 years. This interaction makes Mr. K think that he too can stop drinking. Which therapeutic factor of group therapy is illustrated in this scenario? The options are altruism, imitative behavior, and installation of hope and universality. And the answer is installation of hope. The next question. While planning substitution therapy for a patient with alcohol dependence syndrome, the nurse notes that the patient has deranged liver function test values. Which of the following would be the most appropriate for this patient? The options are short-acting anti-anxiety drugs, long-acting anti-anxiety drugs, anti-craving drugs, and short-term methadone therapy. And the answer is short-acting anti-anxiety drugs. These short-acting anti-anxiety drugs metabolized via glucuronidation rather than the hepatic oxidation. Next question. Which of the following clusters of clinical features most accurately support the identification of opioid withdrawal syndrome? First one is lacrimation, rhinorrhea and frequent yawning. Second one is abdominal cramps and increased bowel movements. Third one is euphoria, hyperactivity and decreased need for sleep. And fourth one is slurred speech, sedation and respiratory depression. And the options are 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. And the answer is 1 and 2, that are lacrimation, rhinorrhea and frequent yawning, abdominal cramps and increased bowel movements. Next question, which of the following nursing interventions in the community reflect primary prevention? First one is providing stress management sessions for high school students prior to examinations. Second one, conducting awareness programs on substance abuse prevention among adolescents. Third one, organizing support groups for relapse prevention among individuals with alcohol dependence. And fourth one is counseling caregivers of elderly patients to manage ongoing health conditions. And the options are 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. And the answer is 1 and 2, that are providing stress management sessions for high school students prior to examinations and conducting awareness programs on substance abuse prevention among adolescents. Next question. While assessing cerebellar function, the nurse asked the patient to stand with feet together, eyes closed and arms at the sides. The patient is unable to maintain balance for 10 seconds. What does this finding indicate? The options are negative Romberg test, positive Romberg test, negative position sense test and positive position sense test. And the answer is positive Romberg test. Next question, which of the following are key provisions of the Mental Health Care Act 2017? First one is decriminalization of suicide, provision for advance directives, wider use of electroconvulsive therapy for minors. Fourth one is appointment of a nominated representative for decision making. Options are 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4. And the answer is 1, 2 and 4, that are decriminalization of suicide, provision for advance directives and appointment of a nominated representative for decision making. Next question, Mr. J is going through a stressful situation and chooses to use progressive muscle relaxation to reduce his stress. What type of coping strategies is he demonstrating? The options are problems focused coping, emotion focused coping, avoidance coping and cognition focused coping. And the answer is emotion focused coping. Next question, which of the following is an example of secondary prevention? The options are immunization against measles, nurse conducting blood pressure screening camp, physiotherapy for a patient recovering from stroke, health education regarding smoking cessation for healthy adults. And the answer is nurse conducting blood pressure screening camp. Next question, a nurse is conducting a breast cancer screening camp using mammography. The test is diagnosed to detect almost all women who truly have the disease. These characteristics of the test refers to. The options are specificity, sensitivity, reliability, and validity. And the answer is sensitivity. Next question. The primary aim of Ayushman Bharat is? The options are provide maternal health services, reduce catastrophic health expenditure and improve access, provide service in urban area only, to increase the utilization of private hospitals. And the answer is reduces catastrophic health expenditure and improves access. Next question. An 18-month-old child was brought to the immunization clinic. Which of the following vaccine and supplement should a child receive as per National Immunization Schedule of India? The options are first one is DPT, vitamin A, oral polio vaccine, MR, and Japanese encephalitis in endemic area. Second one is DPT, vitamin A, hepatitis, oral polio vaccine. Third one, vitamin A, DT, MR, and Japanese encephalitis in the endemic area. Fourth one, oral polio vaccine, DPT, and rotavirus. And the answer is first one, DPT, vitamin A, oral polio vaccine, MR, and Japanese encephalitis. Next question. In the context of emerging disease, what does spillover refers to? The options are the spread of a disease within a specific population. Second one, the transition of a disease from one geographical area to another. Third one is the transmission of a disease from animal to humans. Fourth one is the eradication of disease in population. And the answer is the transmission of a disease from animal to humans. Next question. During a sanitary inspection of a rapid sun filtration plant, a decrease in filtration rate was observed due to loss of head. Which method will you suggest to give head to water in such a situation? The options are addition of alum, scrapping the top layer, increase in duration of storage, and backwashing of sandbed. And the answer is backwashing of the sandbed. Next question. During a home visit, you have come across a patient with a patch on the skin which is lighter in color than the surrounding skin. And when you keep the tip of your pen on it, you find that the patient has no sensation in it. What problem do you suspect for this patient? The options are eczema, leprosy, leukoderma, and dermatitis. And the answer is leprosy. Next question. A 6-month-old child presenting with symptoms of cough, cold, respiratory rate more than 40 per minute, and no test in drawing. Under which classification of acute respiratory disease will this child fall as per the IMNCI program? The options are no pneumonia, pneumonia not severe, severe pneumonia, very severe disease. And the answer is pneumonia, not severe. Next question. What does the One Health concept primarily emphasize? The options are universal health coverage, linking human, animal, and environmental health, use of artificial intelligence in healthcare, comprehensive primary healthcare. And the answer is linking human, animal, and environmental health. Next question. Which of the following is not an indicator for measuring Global Hunger Index, GHI? The options are first one, undernourishment, the share of the population whose calorie intake is insufficient. Second one, child stunting, the share of the children under the age of 5 who have low height for their age. Third one is child wasting, the share of children under the age of 5 who who have low weight for their height. Last one is child mortality, the morbidity pattern of children under the age of 5 years. And the answer is child morbidity, the morbidity pattern of children under the age of 5 years. Next question, which among the following is not the feature of directing? The options are flows from top to bottom, initiate changes in the organization, includes motivation, and shows discipline. And the answer is ensures discipline. Ensure discipline is not a feature of directing. Next question, the predominant activity in strategic planning involves. First one is SWOT analysis. Second one is implementation of policies. Third one, delegation of authority. And fourth one, coordination of personnel. And the options are 1 and 3 only, 2 only, 3 and 4 only, 1 only. And the answer is 1 only. That is, the predominant activity in strategic planning involves SWOT analysis. Next question, which among the following is the administrative specification prescribing the time sequence of work to be done? The options are policy, rule, procedure, and methods. And the answer is procedure. Next question, which among the following functions are involved in formative role of supervision? First one is managing materials and other resources. Second one, managing emotional labor of the profession. Third one, setting standards and objectives. And fourth one, organizing orientation program for staff. And the options are 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 3 only, and 4 only. And the answer is 4 only. That is organizing orientation program for staff. And the next question, at what stage in the Tuckman's model the group attain a feeling of cohesiveness, well organized, and work independently? The options are performing, norming, forming, and storming. And the answer is performing. And the Tuckman models of group development includes forming, that are facts, storming means emotions, norming is values, and performing is actions. Next question, which among the quality evaluation system in healthcare focuses on verification of professional competence and technical skills, assessing individuals meet minimum professional standards? The options are certification, credentialing, accreditation, and licensure. And the answer is credentialing. Next question, a benchmarking that compared the practices not only with the direct competitors in the health market, but also to compare the business performance with best performer to promote the innovative practices. Options are internal benchmarking, external benchmarking, functional benchmarking, and competitive benchmarking. And the answer is functional benchmarking. Next question, arrange the steps of recruitment in correct order. First one is planning. Second one is advertising and attracting the candidate. Third one, evaluation and control. Fourth one is searching and screening. Options are A is 1, 4, 3, 2. Second one, 1, 2, 4, 3. Third one is 4, 1, 2, 3. And fourth one is 1, 4, 2, 3. And the answer is B, 1, 2, 4 and 3. So the correct step of recruitment is planning, advertising and attracting the candidate, searching and screening, and evaluation and control. Next question. The first activity of purchase cycle is, the options are creating request for information. Second one, creating request for quotations. Third one, selecting suppliers. And fourth one is identification of needs. And the answer is identification of need. Next question. A job description should include all of the following components except, the options are job title, working conditions, physical skills. And the options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 3 only, and 1 only. The answer is A, that is 1 and 2 only. The job title and working conditions included in job description. Next question. Which of the following is a potential benefit of collective bargaining for nurses? First one is increased individual bargaining power. Second one, higher nurse to patient ratios. Third one is standardized wages. Fourth one is improved compensation. And the options are 1 and 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 3 and 4 only, and 4 only. And the answer is 3 and 4 only. That are standardized wages and improved compensations are potential benefits of collective bargaining for nurses. Next question. Which method is used for construct validation of a tool? The options are factor analysis, test retest method, expert panel discussion, and all of the above. And the answer is factor analysis. Next question. Which among the following is the final integrated stage of grounded theory where the researcher identifies a single core category to represent the main phenomenon? The options are open coding, selective coding, axial coding, and data saturation. And the answer is selective coding. Next question. Which among the following sample method is suitable in presence of linear trend in the population? The options are systematic sampling, cluster sampling, stratified sampling, and simple random sampling. And the answer is systematic sampling. The next question. Which among the following is the methods of performance appraisal in which the employees is judged in terms of cost and contributions of the employees in the organization? The options are assessment centers, human resource accounting method, behaviorally anchored rating scales, and 360-degree performance appraisal. And the answer is human resource accounting method. The next question. Which of the following is defined as the process of selecting specific stimuli from the environmental while ignoring others? The options are perception, learning, motivation, and attention. And the answer is attention. The next question. Which psychometric assessment is specifically designed as a projective test to evaluate an individual's unconscious Personality Dynamics. The options are MMPI, Minnesota Multi-Phase Personality Inventory. Second one is Thematic Apperception Test, TAT. Third one is Raven's Progressive Metrics. And fourth one is Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, WAIS. And the answer is Thematic Apperception Test, TAT. Next question. In the context of aptitude versus intelligence, which statement is more accurate? The options are, first one is intelligence is capacity to learn specific skill, while aptitude is general mental ability. Second one is aptitude is a specific capacity to succeed in a particular field, while intelligence is a global capacity to act purposefully. Third one is they are synonymous and measured by the same psychometric test. And last one is aptitude is innate, whereas intelligence is entirely environmental. And the answer is B. Aptitude is a specific capacity to succeed in a particular field, while intelligence is a global capacity to act purposefully. Next question. Which component is emotional intelligence? EI involves the ability to delay gratification and stifle impulses. The options are empathy, social skills, self-regulation, and self-awareness. And the answer is self-regulation. Next question. Which community development program in India specifically utilizes the Anganwadi worker to bring the gap between social organization and mental hygiene for children? The options are the 5-year plans, the midday meal scheme, and integrated child development services, and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And the answer is Integrated Child Development Services, ICDS. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് പ്രൊഫസർ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ട് ആൻസർ കീ. അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.